This video will show you how to perform the first flight using palm control. Make sure the flight environment is open and unobstructed, with sufficient light, and the surfaces have discernible patterns. Press the power button once to check the battery level, and make sure there is enough battery power. Unfold the arms. The aircraft will power on automatically. Hold the sides of the aircraft body from below with the camera facing you. Do not place your fingers within the rotation range of the propellers. The default mode is follow after powering on the aircraft for the first time. Press the mode button once to switch mode. The corresponding mode indicator on the front of the aircraft will light up. There are follow, droney, circle, rocket, spotlight, and custom. Face the camera toward the subject and keep it steady. Press and hold the mode button. The aircraft will announce the selected mode and start a countdown, and then take off automatically. You can cancel takeoff by pressing the mode button again before the countdown ends. After taking off, the aircraft flies following you at the rear while recording automatically. The default follow distance is 3 meters. When you move towards the aircraft, it will hover in place and will not fly backward as you move. Perform actions with caution to avoid collisions. When you stop moving, the aircraft will hover in place. Move toward the aircraft, extend your arm, and then place your hand right under it to prevent it from falling from your hand after landing.